You see, Eddie is probably one of my perfect clients I usually work with. I work with a lot of 48-year-old men. So he's got a job. He's doing well. He has a family. He's got a house. He's got the kids. He's got a wife, right, Eddie? I'm pretty close. You got all the things that everyone else has. You got the pressure. You got the mortgage. You got the things, right? Awesome. I love it. It's amazing. Here's the truth, though. You probably have an IRA or a 401k or some type of money saved up from your work over the last 12 to 15 years. Am I right? And if I had to guess, you probably have about $50,000 in there. Hit me with a number. It might be a little bit more. Might be 70. It could be really close to 100 if you've been a really, really good saver. But how much you have in your IRA or 401k? Because this is valid, man. What I'm about to do is I'm about to blow your mind. About to blow it. Ah, I was right. Eddie, you're smiling, aren't you? I know you, bro. So he's like, yep, I got around 50. Cool. I love it. Did you know you can buy rental real estate using your IRA, 401k as a self-directed investment vehicle? Question mark. So Eddie, did you know that? Or did anyone else know that? Hector Hernandez, is this true? My real estate professional. Yes, you can. Javier says, do you mean REITs? No, I don't mean REITs. Nope. I mean actual physical buildings. You can buy bourbon barrels. You can buy apartment syndications. You can buy all kinds of stuff. You can buy legit, real, actual, tangible real estate with your IRA. And you can do it tax-free, penalty-free, transfer-free. Dr. Joseph Moore says, how? Frank says, no way. Look it up. It's called a self-directed IRA. Self-directed IRA. Ray says traditional or Roth. You can do either one. Doesn't matter. Whatever you want. So as Thomas says, make sure to consult your CPA about tax implications if you use debt. Talk with your CPA. Always talk with your CPA. But this is doable. This is valuable. This gives you the ability, ladies and gentlemen, to invest in all kinds of things that you didn't know that you could invest. Okay? I promise you, you are sitting on financial freedom if you have a retirement account that you didn't even know that you had. I'll give you an example. I'll give you a real example. I worked with a beautiful lady on the phone just the other day who had $500,000 and some change. I think it was like $560,000, I think she said, in her IRA. And her and I talked about a deal that she could put $500,000 into and get about 10% a year mailbox money. Give or take. Okay, 10% a year. Now, her current lifestyle, so unfortunately, she's divorced, has some trials and tribulations through that. But she has her kids, but they're all grown. They're all in their late 20s, right? And she just wants to travel the world and she doesn't really want to work anymore. There are opportunities where it's extremely possible that you can get a 10%. Sometimes every now and then I have some deals that are guaranteed 10% annually with a $500,000 investment. So this lady could be getting $50,000 per year mailbox money doing absolutely nothing. And she's using her IRA to do it.